Oh, hey, how you doing? I just wanted to make this video to give a quick update on what's been happening with Film Industry Gateway, what we've been doing this year, as well as what's coming up in the near future. So at the start of 2024, we had a script for a feature film and we were planning to get into pre-production. But then we decided to take a step back and just work on that story a little bit more and develop it to make sure it's a little bit better before we spend all of our time and resources actually putting it together. That script is nearly done. I do have a personal goal of getting the development for the story done by the end of this year, which is only a few weeks to go. But also a lot of this year has also been focused towards finishing off a previous sci-fi film that we've done, and the sci-fi film is a short film and we actually filmed it in January of 2023, but there have been a lot of complications. It is very VFX heavy because that's the kind of thing that I like to do, even though it's challenging. We lost a VFX artist and we had to sort of start from scratch in a few ways, and so that was just sort of dragged out. So one of our priorities this year was definitely getting that sci-fi film done, which we did, and it's done, and we've started this festival run, so that's really cool and we're excited to see what people finally think of it. We also had a go at the Take 48 film challenge, which is something I've wanted to do for a long time. For around 10 years I've been filming weddings and that's always on the weekend, and so I haven't been able to do the Take 48 challenge until now, but we've stopped filming weddings and it's given me that time to pursue some of those extra film goals that I've been eyeing for a few years. So that was a lot of fun and I'll definitely give it a go next year. Also, the month of November was a little bit tricky to get out a lot of content because I was working on a TV show called The 12 with Sam Neill, and those were very long days, and so it kind of took up a lot of my time. But now that that's done, I'll be getting back into making some content and giving it my very best because I want to be able to give you everything that I have. Another thing that has kind of happened this year, originally when I launched Film Industry Gateway, I was trying to build the course content and get that ready for everyone, but then I had to take a step back from that a little bit because I had to work on building the brand and creating a lot of that free content through YouTube and through social media in general, and that's been another focus this year. So I've been trying to finish off those film projects and getting some of that free content done because the most important thing is that you guys have the information that you need to start getting some of your own film projects started. That being said, I've now managed to find a proper balance. I'll be able to continue making that daily and weekly free content via YouTube and social media, but I now also have time to get back into creating that course content and giving you that structured learning plan that you might need to make your film from start to finish. Along with that, we've also been building a new website, which will be coming out in the next few days, so definitely keep an eye out for that. It's a brand new website along with some new content in there for you as well. I also just want to say thank you to everyone that has supported Film Industry Gateway so far. We are still in the early days and there are a lot of things that we are still learning about how to provide educational content, but we're doing our best and hopefully it's helping at least some of you out there, but we will continue doing our best, and every time that we learn something from our own film projects, we'll make sure to create content so that you can learn alongside us as well. Myself and my team are a group of filmmakers who are making films and learning as we go. So that's why I've created Film Industry Gateway, so that you can learn alongside us and learn from our mistakes and hopefully learn from our successes as well. If you are new to the channel, you can support us simply by subscribing because that will help us keep creating content for new and future filmmakers. That's all for today. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next video.